today's quick tip. How to do your improvise sound in a modern way but still sounding Brazilian. The tip of today is to change the scales that crosses the chord you are playing. For example, if you are playing a frevo, for example, the natural scale frevo you'd use to this D minor is the harmonic scale, but I can use with thinking in the same rhythms I would think to improvising melody, to use the melodic scale, for example. And stopping the major seventh of the D major. Besides, in the second chord, for example, A7, we use the melodic key, the harmonic scale in the fifth grade. Okay, we could use another dominant scales like the altered dominant scale, For example, I could use the this whole tone scale, or I can use the dominant diminished scale. Okay. The important thing I would say to you is to continue using, avoiding chromatic movements, and continue using the melodic rhythms of the style. Okay, this would make your improvise sound more modern, but without losing the Brazilian accent. All right. Thanks for watching. If you like, press the like button and share it with your friends that play Brazilian music all over the world. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.